Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a Torx T8 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Make sure you have a clean, static-free workspace to prevent any damage to your PS5. First, unplug your PlayStation 5 from the power source and remove any connected peripherals. Start by taking off the outer casing. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the bottom of the console. There are 4 screws that hold the base in place. After unscrewing, gently lift off the casing using the plastic spudger. Be cautious not to apply too much force to avoid damaging any clips. Next, you will see the internal components of the PS5. Locate the motherboard, which is secured with several screws. Using your Torx T8 screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Make sure to keep track of them, as you'll need them for reassembly later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motherboard out of the casing. Now, focus on the HDMI port itself. Examine the solder points where the HDMI port connects to the motherboard. If you notice any damage or wear, it's time to replace it. Desoldering the old port can be tricky, so if you're not comfortable with this, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. To desolder, heat up your soldering iron and carefully melt the solder on the pins of the HDMI port. Once the solder is melted, use a pair of tweezers to carefully remove the old HDMI port. Clean the area with a small brush to remove any residual solder or debris. Now, take the new HDMI port and align it with the holes on the motherboard. Solder each pin securely in place. Ensure that there are no solder bridges between pins, as this could cause further damage. If you're unsure about soldering, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your console repaired without any hassle. After the new HDMI port is secured, reassemble the motherboard by reversing the disassembly steps. Replace the screws using your Torx screwdriver, ensuring everything is tightened appropriately. Before putting the outer casing back on, it's a good idea to clean the internal components with compressed air to remove any dust. This will help maintain the performance of your console and prevent future overheating issues. Finally, align the outer casing and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Once everything is back in place, plug your PS5 back into the power source and test the new HDMI port. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide quotes before repair, so you can make an informed decision about your next steps. By following these steps, you're well on your way to ensuring your PS5 functions optimally with its new HDMI port. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.